It's all about Sue. It was given.
पीन चॉकलेट मध्ये पैसे ब्राइब घेऊन काबार केले
तू आणि गव्हर्नमेंट
तू आमगे पाय येई नका तू आमगे पाय येई नका हां सांगा तू आमगे पाय येई नका तू आमगे पोटार येई नका आमगे पाय येई नका we are farmers
आणि होणारा कॉलेज आहे तो कोण माझा इंटरफेस दाबाको तू इंटरफेस दाबाको कोण अहो कोण म्हणजे किती मागे आम सरकार मध्ये मागे आम करणार तो कोण तू कोण रे तू कोण तू कोण रे
we are farmers
तू कोण रे
तू सांगा तू कोण You don't come on our farmers. Don't come on our farmers.
Honoring on रे तेचा मधुले था
coming on anybody.
इसे पैक को नकरे
He is not coming on anybody.
He already told me that, but मुंगे point किती तू मग सांग तू का एक सांग मला कॉल करू हुई घेता सॅलरी सॅलरी को खबर का नाही तू त्याला काढवाना सारखे मरे पण ते किती काढणार यू एज अ गोन तू हुई घेता एक प्लेस हुई घेता तू पै घेतो माई मुठा तू 50 करोड मोळे 60 करोड मोळे दॅट इज नॉट आ लुक आउट सारखे तू किती रॉंग आहा जाल्यार विलेजर्स विल पॉइंट आउट something that is illegal and something that people don't like, they literally point out for whatever is wrong. Now over here there is not one and two farmers, there are more than 40 farmers, and we as a complainant, we are the farmers.
You have gone to the master plan. You have checked the
am
master
muge
plan.
shete yes enga te mugele iting mukar ha te so egele ata tuge duri gaha so te muge chata pota Paldwa, एक मुकार है दूसरी ओनर. So also, and then Juliet Solon, the first field touching the wall, the corner is in her this thing property. The corner is in her. So gate amka he opens and this gate should not close. We want access to the this thing. Secondly, amke plantation ka nodoy, we need the way. Paldwa, ata we have only come up to the nala and the way. Tomorrow, don't ask us to stop this. Now, since you all say that you have spent so much of money, you all operate it. We are not coming on the property. And I told Sanjeev, didn't I mention it to you? That you all can operate it. We are not coming in between. Didn't I mention it to you?
And I also mentioned you, madam, that this park will be always open for you.
Question? No.
Madam, it's only the gates have been made.
No, but if that was the thing, you would have never gone to BDO.
We did not go. For 1 year we were at the
No,
panchayat.
rejected. Why? Because of us.
Whatever it is,
No.
we didn't go to video. We could have
You,
gone after
no,
30 days.
question is not about
We
that.
didn't go. They forced us.
Obviously, they will force because we did not get. We were the complainant and we were
Then why are you
forcing
blaming us that we
because you not a question of that. If you all wanted, we had told you all earlier also to keep the access open. You all were still putting the gate.
For the before putting up the file in the panchayat, 8 months I have been calling you. Let's meet the farmers,
I'm not
but
the
you
only
never
person.
came forward
No,
to meet.
You tell me the farmers are still here. None of them wanted to come and approach you.
So,
They
I
said
asked
they-
you, let's have a meeting.
No, I'm not the only one to decide.
I asked you to come
I'm not
and
because
bring
they-
the farmers. We will have a joint meeting.
because you yourself was trying to tell people to convince me.
Who?
No, we
I will tell you three. I'll get three. This thing, Cameron. I'll get the owner. I'll get another 2 more people.
I did not tell him.
I have clear recordings with me.
I know him personally.
You
But I
told
know
him
you
to
personally here that
you can't be telling them to approach me. Don't tell anyone to approach me. I can't get bribed. I'm not a person who will get bribed.
Listen one thing. I would have approached you through somebody if I had known
I
you.
am first
When
of
I
all,
know-
I'm
when
not
I
a
know
person
you-
to get bribed.
When I know you personally, why should I go to somebody
Because
else?
there were times if something had to happen, I used to call you all directly.
Yeah.
I make things very clear to you.
Yeah.
The farmer
Why should
access.
I approach somebody
I
else?
have the recording when the person called me up saying that Sanjeev have approached them.
What he said. See,
What he says?
what guarantee he
Because I have the recording.
That it is-
XYZ
And
anyone
people
say-
he can say anything. He can say anything.
doesn't matter as long as that person is trying
No,
to
he
tell
can
you.
think of anybody.
As long as because photos are captured with you and him, why will he come and say?
Arey,
While you are there with him, the photos are
I even go to Martin Corner
So you have
to have a
to
dinner.
then-
There also the photos are there.
The thing is, I can tell you, I have n number of proof.
Whatever,
Whatever.
but we have not approached anyone, when we know you, why will we approach anybody?
I would not listen to anyone. My point over here is simple. My point over here is simple. The access for the farmers we want. First thing. Second thing, the nala that I have encroached, the nala has to be given back to the farmers. You all go to any extent, we will also go to any extent. We are telling you very clearly. Follow. Huh? Nothing, some
See, this is the inspection done by the Panchayat. We have
त्याचे attitude record आहे तो attitude कितना दाखवतो सर ना आणि तो एक ना don't get into this all ना कोई आता समज लो see the